Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, my name is Ocha and I'm a fashion student year one. So my channel is about documenting my journey. It's like my diary, daily diary about my journey. So I'm going to be documenting my journey from year one till I graduate. So I'm here today to talk about my unfinished project. So I don't know if some of you that have not seen it, I made a vlog about a denim skirt that I submitted for my one of my assignments, so for assessment. So I made it from the scratch. What I mean is, like, I used my own measurements. So I made the pattern, skate block pattern from the scratch, and usually you could pick a size 12 pattern, because in this studio we use size 12 for all range. So if you could say, like, this mannequin, it's a size 12. I don't know if you can see it. It's on there on the neck, size 12. So that's what we use. All the patterns, like already made pattern that you could just use for anything. You cut it out and you could then use it to, you cut the skirt block, basic skirt block or bodice block out, and you use that same pattern that you've cut out. You use the block that you've cut out, which is size 12, the regular one that we use, and you can now use it to cut out your own style pattern. So whatever style you want to add to your garment, you then apply it after you've used the basic pattern size 12 that we have. So when you cut pattern before you transfer to your fabric, you could add your own style and add your seam allowances. So the basic one, there's no seam on it, so you add your seam when you use it to make your own pattern. So it's just like a template, basically size 12, plain template for you to use a size 12. Then when you use it, when you want to cut it, you then add your own, or you use it to make your own pattern. So but mine, on my skirt, I made my own skirt block pattern myself. I draft my own skirt pattern and skirt block, I mean, then, and I use that block to make my style pattern, which then, after I've made my style pattern, and I use that pattern again on my fabric. So that's two. So you first of all make your block plain like a template, like your draft. You now use that pattern to cut your style pattern. The style pattern is what you placed on your fabric before you cut. So you don't just use you can use the basic one if you're not adding any style, but then you now have to put your seam on the fabric, which is not ideal. So for you to add your seam, let's say for example a size 12, you've made your draft as a size 12, you cut it out, then you now use that same one, put it on a pattern sheet, trace it out, round it, the size 12, put that aside. Then you add your seam allowances. Let's say for example you want to add 1 centimeter all round, I mean not inch. After adding it, that's, you add it, draft it the way you want your style, add your darts where you want your pockets and all whatever style you're having on, you add it on that pattern, then you cut it out, and that's your pattern, that's your style pattern. It's that pattern that you now place on your directly on your fabric before you cut out, not the first one. All right, So what I did was that I made my own style pattern from the scratch. I made my skate block and I made my style pattern, and that took a lot of time for me. So I could have just picked a size 12 from the pattern ray that we have here in the studio and use it, but I want to make my garment. I want to make the skirt for myself, so I did it from scratch. So, and I had pockets, patch pockets, and a slide, like a slant pocket at the front. So, and I have tops, different colors of. I have contrasted threads. I did a lot of top stitching, like in my styling. I on my sketchbook, so there's a lot of top stitching on it. So at the end of the day, I didn't finish. I finished putting the skirt together, all my panels together, but what I didn't finish was the hem, and it was for 5 o'clock submission, so I had to submit it with the hem all done. Of course, I lose some mark on it, but then there's nothing I could do. So what took my time was lack of time management. I didn't manage my time very well because I was stressed out. I had a lot of deadline. It's within 1 week. I had 3 deadline, and it wasn't just like one wasn't important. All 3 are important, and all 3 have a lot of workload. So I just did what I could. Even I was so stressed out, so I just submitted it without the hem undone. And I wanted to add some substitching in some area. I did not add them, so I left it. So I'm yet to complete it. I have a video of it on my channel halfway, so I promised I was going to finish it and post it here, but so I haven't had the time since. So obviously we just started second semester, and the first day of first semester was packed with a lot of things to do this week, which is we started on Monday and today is Friday, but I haven't have time to do anything because every module that we have had so far have a lot of after work for us to do. So our independent study hour has been shocked. So I haven't had time to go back to my skirt. So this skirt was one of my assessment for last semester. So definitely there was I lost mark from not finishing it. But yeah, I'll show you the skirt undone. So but I'll finish it and post it. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to finish it, then finish it, not today. So I'm going to finish it, let's say by next week I should finish it. I have things to do in between, so I'm going to make a video of those things as well. I'll let you know also, but I'll post it. So let me just show you the denim skirt because it wasn't together in my last video about denim skirts. I haven't like joined the same side seams together. So I'll show you how I submitted it. So this is it. This is the denim skirt. So you can see here that I have contrasting threads, top stitching. And of course that's the waistband, and I have my pocket, different fabric. It's like tie and dye fabric, which I love a lot. So oh guys, yeah, it's better on the hanger, so I'm just gonna put it on hanger so you guys can see it properly. Let me show you guys. Are you seeing this patch pockets? So this is the back of the skirt. So this is the back, the back zip. I've done the waistband, and of course you can see top stitching. I have patch pocket and top stitching on the pocket, and I have vent at the back. So I did double top stitching on the vent. So I haven't completed. So you can see the hem. So this is how I submitted it, guys, with the hem undone. You see? So see the pocket. So I haven't finished the hem. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about my skirt. So I want to have some stitch by this on the side, same like so, this same color of thread, orange. It's a top stitching thread, that's why it's very visible. So I'm gonna have them branding. I'll show you, let me not give it away. I'll show you when I finish, you'll see it. And I think I'm going to top stitch here too with the same thread. Yeah. Oh, it's coming off again. So yeah, guys, see that it was just keep the hanger side. See that? Love this zip. Exposed zip. I like exposed zip on denim skirt, or no, short skirts actually. I have a short skirt with this same zip, but it wasn't made by me, so I'm gonna make this and I'm gonna be wearing it. So yeah, this is the skirt, guys. So I'm going to complete it and make a video of the finished skirt and post it here. So that's it, guys. So yeah, that's it. So I'll complete it and post it, put it on the mannequin, and have a short video of it. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you next time on my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and turn on your notification bell, please, so you get notification of my new vlogs every time I post. All right, guys, encourage the girl. All right, bye bye. See you next time. Okay, be well.